Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel Harshu's Way. I am Harsha Kapse. I hope you all are doing well. So as I mentioned earlier, I am a Canadian-based YouTuber and I create the content around my life in Canada as a newcomer. And also I share my experiences with you all so that you can get benefit of those. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please do that right now. And don't forget to press the notification bell icon so that you will not miss any of my videos. And please give thumbs up to my all videos. So today we are going to talk about the bank systems in Canada. So whether you are in Canada or you are planning to come, we have so many concerns about banking, like which bank we should choose, how it works, what offers they provide as a newcomer, and what charges they have, and about credit cards, etc. So I will be mentioning everything about this in today's video, so please stay tuned with me. Opening a bank account here in Canada is straightforward with numerous options along with your financial requirement. So there are several banks categorized as major national banks, regional banks, credit unions, and foreign banks operating in Canada. But today we are only focusing on major national banks which are commonly used in Canada. So first is RBC, which is Royal Bank of Canada. Second is TD, which is Toronto Dominion Bank. Third is Bank of Nova Scotia, that is Scotia Bank. The fourth is Bank of Montreal, that is BMO. And the fifth is Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce, that is CIBC Bank. So we will see one by one which offers they provide for newcomer. So let's get started. So first we will start with the RBC Bank. So if you open a bank account with the RBC, then there is no monthly fee for 1 year and you can do a free Interact e-transfer transactions. There is no RBC fee to use another bank ATM in Canada. You can do unlimited number of international money transfers with no fees. You can do multiple debit transactions and unlimited transactions, and also they will offer you a small safe deposit box for 2 years where you can put all your jewelries or important things for 2 years at free of cost. And along with that, they provide you one kind of credit card. So here credit card is very important. So credit history formation is required here in Canada. Why we need it so I will make a separate video on that. But yes, for surely you create any bank account, you should definitely choose for the credit card. It will help you a lot, and there is no annual fee for the credit card. So if you want to take benefit of RBC bank, then you can use the online banking, you can use mobile app, or you can directly visit to the branch for any of your operations in RBC bank. So if you would like to open a bank account, you can open it online, or else you can visit your local branch, else you can call on this toll-free number and you can book an virtual appointments. So secondly, we will check for the TD Bank offers. So here we will find there are some offers on checking account and saving account. So what do you mean by checking account? So checking account is the kind of like a day-to-day transaction account where we can, which is also called as a liquid account. So where we can do direct deposits, pre-authorized payments, and any kind of Interact transfers. And a saving account is the account where we can save our money and we will receive some kind of interest on our amount, whether it will be for 2 or 3%, but still it will change according to banking. So it is a beneficial account as a saving account. So we can do internal transfer between checking to saving and saving to checking account. So if you fulfill some kind of condition for checking account, you will definitely get some cash back. Like there is a 400 cashback for your account if you keep some kind of amount, or if you do some kind of transactions, unlimited transactions. There is no TD ATM fee. There is a free Interact e-transfer transactions, and there is a 16.95 monthly fee rebate. Like if the fee is getting deducted, then that will be again deposited into your bank account. And for your saving account, it's a $0 monthly fee, and you are getting the highest rate on the balance of $10,000 or more than that. Even also you are applicable for TD credit cards for newcomers, but there are some kind of conditions which you need to fulfill, and maybe you need to confirm those conditions from your bank. And of course, if you are a student, you will definitely get a $100 Amazon gift card. If you would like to create an account with the TD, you have to book an appointment online, or else you can directly visit to branch. That's it all for TD Bank. So next we will see about the CIBC Bank account offers. So if you create an account for the CIBC Bank, then you will have no monthly fee for 2 years. There are unlimited transactions you can do using Interact e-transfer, and of course there is a newcomer referral. If you refer a newcomer friend, then you can earn up to $500 every year. If you refer 10 friends, then you can earn $50 for each one, and your referred friend as well, you will receive $50 too. So along with this, you can earn your $600 cash. So for that, you have to create your 2 accounts with CIBC. So one is Smart account for newcomers, and another is e-Advantage saving account. So for Smart account, if you can get over $400 if you fulfill 2 of the conditions. Like first is set up the recurring direct deposit of $500 or more than per month for your employer, and second is you have to complete one of the following actions, like between 3 of these. So first one is 2 recurring pre-authorized debits. Second is make up online bill payments of $50 or more each, and third is 5 online Visa debit purchases for Smart account. So if you fulfill all these conditions, then you can get your $400. And if you create e-saving account, e-Advantage saving account, then you can get a $200 if you fulfill the amount, the minimum balance of $10,000 in your saving account till 3 months of your calendar. And along with that, if you keep your money in the e-Advantage saving bank, you can receive 5.5% interest for first 4 months. And of course, and one more important thing, that who is under 25, he can also get no fee everyday banking with CIBC Smart Start, and he can earn $100. So this is it for CIBC Bank. So if we check offers for newcomers for BMO, then here we will get we have to create one performance checking account, and for that account we can earn $100 Walmart Canada e-gift card. And for that matter, you have to fulfill some conditions, so which may change later, so that's why you have to confirm it from your local branch. And upon that, you can save $215 with no monthly fee for 1 year. You can get $60 cash bonus on the rental of safety deposit box. Even you can earn up to $600 if you fulfill the criteria which is listed here. But this criteria may also change, so that's why you have to confirm that criteria on your from your local branch. And of course, you can do unlimited money transfer globally. So this is it. So last but not the least, so about the Scotiabank. So Scotiabank offers a guaranteed investment certificate, that is GIC account, for international students who are planning to come to study in Canada. So this program is designed for the to help the students for according to their financial requirements for the Canadian study permit. But for that matter, student should invest minimum of $10,000 CAD. And as far as I know, it has changed to $20,000 CAD. Bank offers, they have given the no monthly account fees for a preferred package checking account for first year. Then you can earn up to $400 with the preferred pack. If you opt for the Scotiabank credit card, you can earn up to 30,000 bonus scene points with minimum spend value of $300. Plus, you will receive a $150 primary card fee waiver for the first year. And of course, you can get some 10 free equity trades as in your iTrade account, and you can have unlimited no fee international money transfers in Scotiabank. So that's it for Scotiabank offer. And of course, if you are opening an account with as a permanent resident or foreign worker, or as a student, so you need a kind of document according to your status in Canada, and you can open your bank account online, or else you can directly visit to the branch of your Scotiabank. So that's it for all the banking, all the major national banks in Canada. These are all the newcomer offers. So whatever links are there for the newcomer offers, I have already mentioned those links in the description box. You can definitely have a look over those, or else for more information you can connect to your local branch. As you have seen, the process is quite simple. So once you fly to Canada, don't forget to keep your finances at safe place. So that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video more informative and interesting. And as I always say, if you have any kind of concerns, you can definitely write it down in the comment box. I will answer those. And thank you for watching this video. See you soon in the next video with the next topic. Until the time, bye bye.